In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cartoon animation videos in Canva. Whether you're a teacher looking to make your lessons more engaging, a marketer aiming to captivate your audience, or simply someone who loves creating animations for fun, this guide is for you. We'll walk through the entire process, so even if you're new to Canva, you'll find this pretty straightforward and exciting. First things first, let's head over to Canva. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but most features we'll use today are available for free. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look up to the top corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Create a Design. Click on it and scroll until you find the option that says Video. Select it and we'll be taken to a new canvas. This is where the magic happens. Next step, once your video canvas is open, you will want to locate and launch the Magic Media feature. Usually it is tucked away in the toolbar on the left side. Click on that to open it up. Magic Media is an incredibly handy tool within Canva that allows us to incorporate some fantastic pre-designed elements, which are perfect for creating animations. Now, find the Video tab inside Magic Media. Clicking on this will present you with a variety of options for your cartoon animation. The great thing about Magic Media is that it gives us a vast library of templates and customizable elements to play with, so feel free to explore a little if you're curious. In the next step, you'll need to enter your prompt. This is where you can describe what kind of cartoon animation you are envisaging. Be creative and specific with your prompt. This will help you get the most accurate and engaging assets for your animation. Once you see the elements generated by Magic Media, use the toolbar options to modify and rearrange them according to your vision. You can adjust colors, move characters around, add dialogue, or even include some background music. Be as detailed as you like. This is your canvas to paint on after all. And when you're satisfied with how your animation looks, it's time to finalize it. Head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on Share. From the drop-down menu, choose the option to download your creation. Make sure you select the MP4 format for video files, and then just hit download. In just a few moments, your fantastic new cartoon animation will be ready to share with the world. There you have it. You've just learned how to create engaging cartoon animation videos using Canva. It's a simple yet powerful tool that sparks creativity and delivers professional results. Feel free to experiment and expand your animation skills with the many resources available. Happy animating?